Welcome to Mishna study of Masechet Peah Perek Gimel Mishnah Bet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to speak about if a person harvests his field in patches, right? He'll go, piece by piece. But let's see. Let's read through the Mishnah first, then we'll explain. Hamiramer tzadehu v'shir kilachim lachim. Rabbi Akiva omer pe'ah mikol echad ve'echad. Hachamim omerim me'echad al hakol. מודים חכמים לרבי עקיבא באזורי השבט או חרדל בשלושה מקומות שנותן פאה מכל אחד ואחד. So המנמר את שדהו, right? Menamer is like the language of a leopard, right? Basically, he's leaving it spotty, patchy, right? So Rambam explains over here, in general, if we say menamer, it would mean that a person is planting his field piece by piece, patchy, right? He's planting it in different spots, similar to the skin of a leopard, right? That's the dots all across. But over here, right, the Gemara explains over here, when we're speaking about minamer in our Mishnah, right, that's being modified or explained with the next words of v'shir kilachim lachim. He left the moist roots, right? He left those roots in the ground. So in general, menamer means to plant it in a spotty way. Over here in our Mishnah, it's talking about it uprooting in a spotty way. So over here in our Mishnah, the case is he's harvesting, he's cutting his field, but he's cutting it in patches where he's leaving spots across the field, almost like the skin of a leopard, right? He's leaving it patchy. So does he need to give pe'ah on every single patch, or can he give on the entire field? That's the mahloka between Rabbi Akiva and Chachamim. Rabbi Akiva says he needs to give for every single patch, and Chachamim says no. He gives one pe'ah for everything. Umodim Chachamim Rabbi Akiva. Chachamim agreed to Rabbi Akiva that he needs to give on every single patch. When what? If a person plants shevet or hardal, which is dill or mustard seeds, if he plants it in 3 different places, then he needs to give pe'ah on every single one. And over here, Rambam explains that he needs to give on every single one because these are, I got cut off over here. I didn't paste the second part of Rambam's Pirush. He explains because people plant them, in general, they plant them separately, right? So because people plant them separately, the ani needs to, would have to go to every single separate one. He should go to, he would look to go to every single separate one. Right? Because a person will usually plant these in these smaller beds, and halacha is not like Rabbi Akiva. So that sums up this Mishnah. Next Mishnah, we're going to move back to onions. We're going to speak about onions. If a person harvests those for the shuk and he leaves some in his property, how he needs to give pe'ah for those.